Hi everyone, it's me again. We're unboxing my first FabFitFun box. This is $49.95 a month. I don't know if I still have the $5 ones available. If I do, I will put it, leave your emails below if you have the $5, because I can't pay $5 for, I believe I have 9 of them that are good till the 21st. Pass this out to a friend. Okay. Then there is a meal kit from HelloFresh for $80 off. Here's their little magazine that talks about everything. So we will look at that later. Okay. This is what everything looks like inside. Look how pretty that is all. I don't know where to start. Okay, let's start here. These are small. These are those Invisibobbies. I've tried using them once or twice, and if I don't open these, I will give them away, but I still have some down here. Alright, then we have Mystery Choice. I'm not sure what that is. This is a Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. Look at that. Can y'all see this? You can see the oil because the rest of it is thinner. Oh, that is so cool. The things that entertain me. It says vigorously shake bottle so that all contacts are well mixed. Moisten a cloth or pad. The right amount of Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil spread all over face in circular motion. So this kind of goes with that other Skin & Co thing that I had. I like that. Okay, this is Wish exfoliating foot mask, smooths and softens, intense hydration, paraben free, sulfate free, flake free, DEA and T free, petrochemical free, cruelty free, Leaping Bunny certified. It is free of everything that someone could complain about, basically. It's got a lot of stuff in it, so I'm going to have to look at the ingredients if I can find them. Here they are. Turn it down. Sounds like something I could use, so let's go ahead and open it. Oh, it smells good, I think. You shouldn't be able to smell it, though. It says exfoliate, polish, use ideally at bedtime, apply liberally to desired area, let dry, go to bed, awake with softer feet, rinse after 8 to 12 hours. So you put it on your feet at night, and then you rinse it. Basically, you can rinse it when you wake up. You don't have to wait. Because if you're different than me, you'll probably be at work when the 8 to 12 hours runs up. Ooh, SPF 30. Kula makeup setting spray. First thing I've ever owned by Kula. And ingredients. There is no cranberry in it, so there's that. Farm to Face is vegan, cruelty free, water and sweat resistant. Recycle. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, hold on here. Alright. It's not wanting to come out. It has little balls in it. Let's smell it. It's perfumey at first. It's like really alcohol smelly, but it smells good. I'll use this. It says shake well before use. I'm not using it right now, so I probably don't have to shake it right now. So we won't. All right. Grace and Stella Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Spray all day. Oh, here's what the bottle looks like. It's so cute. I like that. All right. Directions. Let's see what's in here before we open it. Okay. Miss 4 to 5 sprays on face with eyes closed before or after makeup. I have a question. Why do they have to remind you to close your eyes when you're spraying something in your face? I always have this thing that I think of when it comes to this kind of thing. They have to tell you because someone has actually not done it. All the cautions and don't do this while doing this and all that is basically because someone has sued them because they did that while they were doing it. It's crazy. I've never understood that. Oh, I love the bottle. Look at this. It's so sleek. And let's see what it smells like. It's not overpowering of roses. Let's go ahead and just... Okay, now it's overpowering of roses. But that's not bad. Grace and Stella. Alright. I'm going to look through this little booklet in a little while and see if it's got the... Alright, we have... Burn 3 resistance bands. I chose this because I forget what the other choice was. Wine glasses. And I don't drink, so it didn't seem like a logical choice. But these are little burn bands. This is light, heavy, and medium. And you use them for exercising. Burn 60 is high intensity interval training for all fitness levels. Our signature training program designed to help you work out smarter, maximize calorie burn, and tone your major muscle groups. TV, FabFitFun.com partners Burn 60. So I will look all that up because there's actually not any directions or anything in here to help you out with what you're supposed to do. My mom has some, so I do know basics of what to do. All right, let's go ahead and move this. Ooh, that rose smell is strong. All right, this is Brightening Purple Clay Mask by Generation Clay. Witch hazel, bilberry, aloe vera, tapioca flower extract, Davidson hibiscus flower extract, desert lime, citrus, sweet orange, mandarin, citrus, cedarwood, potassium, patchouli oil. I don't see any cranberries, so let's go ahead and open it. Oh, do I really want to open it all the way? Let's see the directions. Apply, even layer, dry skin, wait approximately 10 minutes or until mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask, circular motions, and lightly pat your skin dry. Okay, yeah. This is something I can do quickly at night after Eric goes to sleep. So we'll go ahead and open it. Okay. It's like not wanting to open here. There's like some kind of plastic. You'll see this. There's like a plastic film over the top. So let's go ahead and try to get this plastic. Ah, there we go. I got some of it to come out, and now figure the rest later. It does have a purple tint to it. I didn't get a whole lot to come out. Ah. See if we can y'all see that? It has a purplish tint to it. Thin layers on my hand. See, when it dries down, it's a little grayish. All right, let's go ahead and shut this. Maybe I did something wrong. Now does it come out? Oh, it does. Okay. All right. Next is Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. It's closed. up. I'm going to put this in the shower tonight, so that's why I'm opening it. Let's see what we got going on here. Because I happen to run out. Oh, that smells so good. I wish y'all could smell that. See, that's what it looks like. Oh my God, that is like such an awesome smell. Let's go ahead and finish taking this off without squeezing the container. Put this on top and turn it. See, drives down gray. All right, and the Brazilian Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream. I've heard so much about this, and I'm so excited that I get to try it out. Let's see. It's got this fancy little thing up here. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's yellow. And it smells so good. So let's see. I believe this is a lotion. Body cream. Oh, that smells so good, and it looks so nice on the skin. All right, we're gonna put this little piece back on top of it, because the last time something came with something like this on top of it and I didn't put it back on, I ended up having to throw away a $40 eyeshadow. So we're gonna go ahead and stick that little piece back on there and put that there. All right, and last but certainly not least is this big old boy. Oceana felt tip message board. I want to use this in the background. I'm trying to figure out exactly where it could go so that I could put like what the video is in the back. You can put it comes with the letters in a little bag to put the letters. Oh, and it even has emoticons on it. Emotes, listen to me. So that was everything. Let me go ahead and grab that little magazine. And we're going to see if we can find prices on everything. All right. The Oceana board was... okay, first, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream and Foreplay Moisturizer is $45. That's $4 less than I paid for this box. So that's not bad at all. Rose Gold Brightening Facial Skin Masks. I don't have that. Okay, so we'll go back over here. The resistance bands are $34. So we're up to $79. Mystery item palette trigger ball maybe primer, $24+. So I don't know how much this is. I don't see it listed anywhere. So it's over $24. So $79 plus $24, $99, $108. Dr. Rogers restorative care thing. Okay, here we go. Invisibobbies. No, wait. Kula Organic SPF is $36. So we are at 138 plus 6, 12, 14, 138, 14, 44, right? $16 for the Invisibobbies. I have no idea. I'm not going to add these anymore. Y'all can add them if you want. I'll go through and add them and put it in the description box. Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask is $39. Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray is $25.95. The foot thing is $32. So now we got to go back in 2D. The board was $35. So this is well at least around $200. So, and I only paid $49, so I at least got $150 over what I paid for it. So it's not a bad box. And I believe you get a discount if you don't pay for it each time, but a good rule of thumb that I decided to follow was I will definitely be able to put $49 on my PayPal card around the next time. So by then I'll be able to put $49 on there and I could re-up for the next round. And I thought that was a perfect idea and something I could do. We're gonna go ahead and stick all these Target beauty box and Walmart beauty box things in here, because that way I don't have the 12 million boxes full of stuff. But that is everything that came in this box. I will add it all up, put it on in the description box, and I believe I am gonna upload the Target boxes today, and then I'll upload the last video I was supposed to put up last week tomorrow, and then I'll put this up on Wednesday. So I hope y'all all had a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.